greetings. Whether it's morning, afternoon, or evening, I'm here to guide you through the process of setting up a ticket toolbot on your Discord server. First things first, head over to the website Ticket Tool, XYZ. Once you're there, locate the Invite Ticket Tool button and give it a click. This will redirect you to a Discord invite page. Choose your server and continue. Now, let's ensure we're not granting admin roles unnecessarily. After authorizing, open your Discord server settings and navigate to Roles. Find the Ticket Tool role and drag it up the hierarchy, preferably just below your moderator roles. Save your changes. Next, let's create a staff role for those who will manage tickets. Click on Create Role. Name it, let's say Staff Role. Select a distinct color and configure other settings as desired. Remember to save your changes. Moving on to permissions, ensure that the staff role has the necessary permissions, particularly read message history. Once set, reorder the staff role in the roles list as needed and save changes again. Now, let's organize our server a bit. Create a new category for support-related channels, mark it as private, and assign roles accordingly. Don't forget to include the Ticket Tool role. Edit the permissions for the support category, ensuring that everyone can read message history. Then, create a text channel within the category for staff communication, such as Staff Ticket. Back to the Ticket Tool website, access the panel configs and create a new panel. Add commands for ticket creation, specifying the staff role for responding to tickets. In the panel configuration, assign the support category to your panel. Customize the panel message to prompt users to create tickets by reacting with an emoji. Adjust permissions for the Ticket Tool's owner role, granting necessary permissions like reading message history. Within the panel configuration, designate the staff ticket channel for ticket creation notifications. Back in Discord, you'll now see the ticket creation message. Users can create tickets by clicking the designated emoji. Staff members can manage tickets within the staff ticket channel, closing them when resolved. Additionally, they can choose to delete closed tickets, keeping your server organized. And there you have it. Your Discord server now boasts a robust support channel, thanks to the Ticket Tool bot. If you found this guide helpful, consider subscribing for more. See you in the next one.